Is your Rogers Ignite or Xfinity box stuck on the welcome screen? This often happens during initial setup or after a reset. The core issue is the box's inability to complete the activation process, usually due to firmware glitches or network connectivity failures. Start with the simplest solutions. First, power cycle your box by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This resolves temporary glitches. While it restarts, double-check that all cables are securely connected. Ensure your modem is online and your internet connection is stable. After the box restarts, allow ample time for the activation process to complete. Be patient. If these steps don't work, move on to the reset options. If a simple restart doesn't solve the problem, a reset might be necessary. There are two types of resets: a soft reset, which is like a restart, and a factory reset, which erases all data and forces reactivation. To perform a factory reset, first locate the reset button on the back of your box, consulting your device's manual if needed. Then use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. The box will restart and begin the activation process again. If you've tried these steps multiple times and the box remains stuck, it's time to contact Rogers or Xfinity support. This could indicate an issue with your account verification, a billing problem, or a more complex hardware or firmware issue that requires professional assistance. Remember to have your account information and box serial number ready when you call.